Hey guys, I'm Dav from Adobe Vibe YouTube channel. Before start this video, be sure to subscribe and please hit that bell notification for getting update whenever I upload a new video, and follow me on my Instagram where I upload my new artwork on regular basis. Alright, as always, select your image, go to adjustment, channel mixture, select blue channel, blue 0%, make green plus 100%. Adjustment, selective colors. Here select color reds, make cyan minus 15%. Magenta plus 15% and keep rest as same 0. Select color cyan, cyan plus 15%. Magenta minus 15%, keep rest as same 0. Adjustment, hue saturation. Select red, hue plus 20%, saturation plus 40%. Select cyan, saturation plus 40%. Use curves, select red and follow the step like this. I hope you find this video helpful. If you like my work with Photoshop, don't forget to click the like button, sharing this video and subscribe this Adobe Vibe YouTube channel to get more amazing Photoshop effect tutorials. Also, you can check out the other amazing video just waiting for you in this channel playlist. Thanks for watching and I will see you on the next video soon. I am Dav from Adobe Vibe YouTube channel.